Welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, I'm pretty sure that the phrase I'm about to utter has not been spoken often in modern times. Doing laundry is a lot of fun. Now, I might be hyping up a little bit, but after a recent trip to Artisan Kitchens and Bath, I found out the proper design and some help with the latest technology to do laundry can actually be somewhat enjoyable. You know, through the years here in Western New York Living, I've enjoyed showing you the latest updates in form and function in kitchens and bathrooms. Well, today we're going to do it with mudrooms and laundry rooms, and I feel like I should have brought my kids' college laundry home for Greg Loomer here from Artisan Kitchens and Baths. Hey, Greg, good to see you.
How's it going? Good to see you, Kevin.
Good to be here, and we're going to talk about laundry rooms or mudrooms for folks here. And there's a lot of form and function we can have, and style too, with cabinetry.
Absolutely. Yeah, there's a lot of options out there. Something like this I think is great for a laundry room. Kids come in. There's a place to put your shoes, place to put your jackets, backpacks, instead of having everything all over the floor.
Yeah, or on my kitchen table,
yeah, there you
like
go.
It is at home. If they come in muddy, you know, we're in that fall, winter type time here, you can clean things off here. Now, this is kind of an old farm tub, right?
Yeah, it's a nice farm sink. It's a great style. It's still very popular. Obviously, it's been around for a long time. Makes it sometimes a little bit easier for access to get in and out of the tub. I think it's a great feature. We also wrapped everything in Dura Supreme cabinetry here and Cambria countertops.
All right, and for those hard scrubbing jobs, we've got the old washboard out there. Now, some folks may go that route or maybe bring the tub with an island here. Tell me about this setup.
This is a nice setup, something if you, depending on the layout of your room, obviously. It's nice, you always want to have water in a laundry room. You want to have some place, a nice surface for folding. Plus, we have a ton of storage underneath for any of the supplies that you need.
Yeah, it's a great spot to fold. Also, the storage you mentioned for all your laundry products or cleaning products. Now let's go to the machinery. And I think a lot of people are familiar with the stackable front loaders. That's what we're looking at here.
Absolutely. These are just regular front loaders. They're Electrolux. They make a great product. These can be stacked. We went with the under counter again to try and maximize storage and have a folding area. You can stack them. They can go on pedestals. Most people are aware of these, but there's some really great new technology.
All right, show me the new stuff here. This is cool.
This is a GE all-in-one washer dryer. Uses a heat pump. You don't need a vent for it. You don't need a 220 line or a gas line. You only need a standard 110. Water and a drain. You can put everything in, start to finish, washes, dries, does everything. Another nice feature that they have in GE is in the past, a big issue was mold or different issues and odor problems. Everything in here, blue, is antimicrobial. So it really does a nice job of not having those odors, helping get rid of it and eliminate them altogether.
So I can put a load of laundry in there and just a button that I push that it's just going to do the whole thing, full cycle, wash, dry, ready to go.
Absolutely. Easy, start it, and even to make it a little nicer, there's options out there with doors that can come out and make the whole thing disappear.
Now, what has been the feedback for folks? I know you have a family member who has this unit.
My brother has it. They've had it for about 6 months. Absolutely loves it. Makes it easy when they're leaving for work, before you go to bed. Anytime, you don't have to worry about flipping everything over. Everybody's busy. It's just one less step to take.
All right, the next upgrade from that is one that actually folds to laundry too, right?
I thought you were going to come over to the house and do that.
Well, the one thing you can do is contact Artisan Kitchens and Baths to upgrade your mudroom, your laundry, or even just your equipment. Contact Greg for that. Greg, thanks again for showing us the latest and greatest.
I appreciate it. Thanks for coming by.
Artisan Kitchens and Baths can help turn your ideal laundry room or dream kitchen or bath into reality. Greg and the rest of the staff can help advise and guide you through the purchasing and design process, and most importantly, keep you on budget. They're spacious and interactive showrooms located at 200 Amherst Street in Buffalo. And to find out more, to schedule an appointment, head to their website at artisankitchensandbaths.com.